the Jaguar XJ13, a racing legend that never washy everyone, and welcome back to the Cabbage YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating story of a car that could have been a legend but never quite made it to the production line. It's the Jaguar XJ13. The XJ13 was a prototype racing car designed by Jaguar in the early 1960s. It was a groundbreaking vehicle for its time, featuring a mid-engine layout, which is now commonplace in sports cars. Under the hood, the XJ13 boasted a powerful 5.0-liter V12 engine. This engine was capable of producing an impressive amount of power, making the XJ13 a formidable competitor on the track. Jaguar's original plan was to use the XJ13 to compete in the prestigious Le Mans 24-hour race. However, various factors, including the success of the Ford GT40, prevented the XJ13 from ever making it to the starting grid. Despite its unfulfilled racing potential, the XJ13 remains a significant car in automotive history. Its innovative design and powerful engine have inspired countless engineers and designers. So, there you have it, the Jaguar XJ13, a car that could have been a racing legend but was ultimately overshadowed by other models. What do you think of the XJ13? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.